Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your laptop. The only way to achieve this is by using an Android emulator, which essentially creates a virtual Android device on your computer. Among the many options available, BlueStacks stands out as a highly recommended choice. It's renowned for its stability and excellent performance, providing a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience for your favorite mobile titles, including Clash of Clans, right on your desktop or laptop screen. Getting BlueStacks onto your computer is a straightforward process. First, you'll want to visit the official BlueStacks website to download the installer file. Once the download is complete, simply run the executable file. Follow the clear, on-screen prompts to guide you through the installation. This entire setup usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your system's speed, and prepares your laptop for mobile gaming. With BlueStacks successfully installed, the next step is to get Clash of Clans running. Open the BlueStacks application, and you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, just like setting up a new Android phone. After logging in, navigate to the Google Play Store within BlueStacks. Use the search bar to find Clash of Clans and then proceed to install the game. It's exactly the same process as installing any app on a mobile device. Now you're all set to enjoy Clash of Clans on a much larger screen. Playing on your laptop offers several advantages. You can utilize your mouse for precise troop deployment and your keyboard for chat, enhancing your strategic gameplay. The game's graphics will appear more vibrant and detailed on your monitor. Plus, your existing game progress will seamlessly sync through your Google Play account, ensuring you pick up right where you left off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.